Hello. My project today contains 3 videos. In the first video, I would focus on creating a UI view table. In the second video, I will discuss how we could populate the table, the UI view table. And in the third video, we would start focusing on making a mobile app. First, let's create a new Xcode project. We're on Xcode, and here create a new Xcode project. Okay, and single view application. We would need to give it a name. I will call it dictionary with illustrations. Okay, it means dictionary with illustrations. I have a reason for this naming, and I will talk about that later. Yeah, the language is Swift and the devices are universal. Next, I will create it here. Well, this is the interface. Let's start with main storyboard here. Click on main storyboard and we have it. Let's delete the default view controller. I would select and press delete. Okay, it's not here anymore, but it's still here. Look at this, the files, view controller Swift. Okay, and delete. Okay, remove reference. It's deleted. On the right side of your screen, we have object library. This object library, and we could type in the box to find the objects, but it's not a long list. And I'm just looking for a table view controller. This table, press Control and add the table view controller. Well, this table view consists of 2 parts actually: the prototype cells and the table view. When you click on it, okay, this is a separate part indeed, and you would need 2 files for it. The project is a combination of several, actually consists of several files, several separate files that interact and work together. Okay, so we would need 2 files, one for table view and one for prototype cells. Okay. Again, back to library object and scroll down to UI image view here. Look, I would add an image and I would make it small. That would be enough. Scroll up now to label, and this label, okay, and a second label. Well, this is a dictionary, and a dictionary includes words and meaning. So one of these labels represent words and the other meanings, and it has illustrations. So this UI image view is for the illustrations. Now we need, if we run this, we would only see a white background on the device, on the destination device, which you could find the devices under product. Okay, and then scroll down destination, and then all of these devices, like and all of them. Okay. Instead, we would create two files, one for table view and one for the cell. But before that, go up to editor here and embedding and navigation control. Well, this way we could control the whole project. This is the central unit, and every component of the project is controlled through using this central unit, actually, together. And we would need to go to this, which is called Attributes Inspector, and click Is Initial View Controller over this one, look, and Is Initial View Controller. You could see them here too, like Table View Controller, this one here, and Navigation Controller here. Okay, yeah, and the arrow indicating that this is the beginning of the app. Now let's create the files. One for Table View Controller. File here, click File, New, File again. Okay, and Touch class, Next. Okay, this has this name, and I think it would be okay, it would be good. And we have UITable view cell. Well, it's not that. Let's go down. Let's type it. UI view control, or UITable view controller, this one. So we have table view controller, that is the name of the file, and this class UITable view control. Okay, next, and create. So if you look at this part, this area, you see the file table view controller. Okay, this is the name of the file, and also another file we would need to create. Back to main storyboard for this, for the cells. Okay, File, New, File, and we have let's put cell at the beginning, to make sure we don't confuse it with other similar names, and change the class, that is UITable view cell. Okay, next, and create. Okay, we have it here. So these two files, cell view controller, oh, it has a long name, but it's okay. We could probably make it short, but I think it's okay, for the time being. also table view controller, which is the main view control in this project. Okay, main storyboard, one file for this and one for that. You would need to make sure that they are on board here too. Look, if you click here and go to the identity inspector, and it is table view controller. Okay, we have it. Then the cell, okay, and click on cell view controller. What that long name? So they are now available to other components of the project, and they could interact. I mean, they are kind of, I said a board, and that means they are in this position that they could interact with each other. Okay, or add it to the project. Yes. At this time, let's run the project to see what happens. Okay. It takes some time before the simulator is ready, I guess. Actually, this view table is created, and we could see these. Okay. A final point. I owe everybody an apology. I frequently use UI view table, which is incorrect. The correct form is UITable view, user interface table view. Thank you.